Orange marmalade and almond in a pudding or a cake. That's the only confusion, but this dessert is heartwarming. Don't forget to subscribe, hit on the bell icon as we create one of my so satisfying favorite creations. As I'm using a stand mixer, this happens really fast. You just put everything in. So 250 grams of yellow softened normal salted butter, along with 75 grams of superfine sugar or castor sugar, 75 grams of dark brown muscovado sugar, half a teaspoon of soda bicarb, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, the rind of one orange going in, orange peel candied, just about a rind of it going in, 4 eggs. What a fun creation with everything going in. So 4 eggs in, along with 150 grams of orange marmalade. Take the bitter orange marmalade to work wonders. Into this goes about a handful of toasted almond slivers, so about 75 grams of that going in, and finally about 225 grams of refined flour. Just put everything in and get to blitzing it. Such fun creations with a prep time of just about 5 minutes is sheer elegance in itself. While this gets done in about 4 to 5 minutes, you can also do this in a food processor, or if you're going old-fashioned with a bowl and a spatula, start with the salted butter, the sugars, then add in the flour, add in the eggs and create a cake. Old-fashioned in the method, but beautiful in the end. All we're going to do is take off all the batter into the bowl and put it to bake. So I've got a 8-inch ceramic bakeware that has been greased with some butter, and all we're going to do is take the batter from here and put it into this. So simple, and what a creamy cake or pudding this turns out to be. Every last bit of it going in. Spatulas really come handy out here to scrape every last bit. Smoothen it down and just put it straight into the oven. While this goes to bake at 180 degrees Celsius on the fan mode for 40 minutes, let's get to creating a glaze that marries this cake into a pudding. With the cake baking in the oven and nearing the readiness, into a pan goes the juice of 1 orange, along with about 75 grams of orange marmalade, bitter orange marmalade. This is the easiest glaze that you could create. Just mix the two together, bring it to a boil. It's that simple. The rind in the bitter orange marmalade really works wonders in this glaze. So all you need to do is switch it off and get it ready to go atop the cake. "40 minutes of allowing this to bake beautifully. 30 minutes up, just do a test to check that it's baked through and through, but the crack on top is the only giveaway required out here. Hot out of the oven, I'm just going to pour the glaze on top. Just dribble it all around and slather it with a brush so that it gets through and through. Enjoy the sizzle that it brings as it seeps through the entire creation. The beauty about this creation is that it's got flavors that you have readily available in your kitchen. While I've used orange marmalade, use any jam that you have and create the same result. Garnishing this gorgeous dessert with some toasted almond slivers on top. Go a little overboard because it just adds to that crunch of the pudding. And finally, some specks of orange rind candied in it. A perfect tea time creation ready. I hope you enjoyed creating this with me. Simple yet so elegantly stylish. There is something about glaze going on a hot cake that creates magic in this dessert. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and more importantly, don't forget to subscribe.